Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Today we will start the Mathematics Standard 7th activity, and that activity is based on the cutting and pasting. Comparison of marks by cutting and pasting method. So let's see our today's activity. Before starting the activity, note down some important points. For writing an activity, you have to take A4 size paper or chart paper or any other plain paper. Don't forget to mention your name, standard, section and roll numbers on it. After that, you have to write down the activity's name, objective and material required if any, and then you have to do your activity. If it is on the paper, you have to paste that paper after the material required. And at the end of this, don't forget to write the learning outcomes which is given in the slides. In this activity, you have to compare the marks obtained in all subjects by a student in the first and second term examination by drawing a bar graph using paper cutting and pasting. Our objective is to draw and read the double bar graph and draw the conclusion. Now the material required is pencil, paper sheet, graph paper, color paper and pair of scissors, glue and ruler. So be ready with this material and do the activity which is given. Dear students, only understand the procedure. You don't have to write this procedure. Collect the data of your marks. Say here it is given already, because in all subjects English, Math, Science, Social Science and Hindi, both term 1 and term 2 examination marks are there. So this table you have to write on your activity sheet. Now keeping in the view of the minimum and maximum marks, choose an appropriate scale of 0 to 40. Cut out the strips of the color papers of different length according to the marks. Means for term 1, select the one color and then according to the marks, cut the paper strips in rectangular shapes. And for term 2 also you have to select the different color and according to marks you have to cut the rectangular pieces. Now make the strips of one color red and one color green. If you want to take the other color, you can take. Now, as soon as you cut the strips according to the marks, on the graph paper now, you have to write down your own scale and paste the graph as shown in the figure. First term with red color, green shows the second term marks. So in this way you have to finish your activity and then paste this graph on the activity sheet. Don't forget to write the learning outcomes as soon as you finish the activity. Make a double graph as shown in the figure and then marks on the vertical axis and subjects on horizontal axis. After pasting the graph, you have to write down these observations which is based on the data which is given there in the table and graph. So after down these questions of observation, you have to write now learning outcomes and then your activity you finished. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.